Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to beautiful Nicaragua. Today we have a special vlog. We need to run some errands here in Nicaragua. What's the number one thing we're getting done first, Courtney?
Eating. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we are gonna eat in this vlog though. We are gonna go eat some beans. Mission number one is we gotta go to a coffee processing plant to pick up our leftover coffee. Now this is coffee that didn't get exported to the States, but we're actually happy about it because we get to drink it over here now. I need to bring you guys up to speed. A few months ago, we finished our harvest season here in Nicaragua. These beautiful cherries were hand-picked. We depulped each bean and then we dried it in the sun. After that, I dropped off the coffee at a processing mill where these guys prepped it for exportation and got it out of the country on the way to the US. From there was a small remaining amount that was left behind in Nicaragua because it couldn't complete a full shipment, and that is what we're picking up today. So the mill is about a 35-minute drive from our house, and this is it right here. We're about to turn in. They usually have security here and won't let you in unless you got business that you got to do here. So we're gonna turn in and then let's hope everything goes well here.
¿Qué es lo que viene a retirar?
Café, bueno, lo que sobró de este año. So we made it inside, which is great. He's gonna write down my license and my ID because there's a lot of security here since there's a lot of merchandise and a lot of coffee comes through here. So they want to make sure that the area is well guarded, which I appreciate because I don't want my beans going missing. You know, I gotta caffeinate the world. I gotta caffeinate the US, so my beans need to be protected here. All right, we just got the green light and we're about to go meet the person at the office who's gonna sign off for our coffee. But over there is the processing plant. As you can see, look how massive that is. There's actually a container down there, and I think that's being loaded with coffee that's gonna get exported out of Nicaragua here. But all these are drying patios here where you see grass. During the season, they cut the grass and they lay tarps down where they dry coffee here. But since it's not coffee season yet, it is actually empty right now, so it's actually pretty calm. But during season, it's chaotic here with everyone bringing their coffee. And this is the office right now where we're gonna go pick up our paperwork, and then we're gonna go get our delicious cup of coffee. We're almost there, fam. I'm excited because the team worked hard to produce this delicious cup of coffee, and we finally get to try it here. So Courtney and Elliot will wait in the car because right now it's just boring paperwork. So Elliot's watching a movie, so we'll leave him in the car and we'll go handle the business and then go pick up the coffee.
Te vas recto donde está la caseta. Allí recto al frente es un portón grande.
So just got the paperwork right now. He was taking time to explain to me how much actually made it to the States and how much is left here in Nicaragua. So the reason it's because not everything goes to the States. I only send to the States what's really good quality. So that is what we call primera here in Nicaragua, which is first quality. Segunda quality, which is the defects and other coffee that do not meet the criteria, stay behind. And so we're picking that up with a little bit of primera that didn't fit into the container. So we're picking up both kinds, but I'll show you guys more once we get the coffee. All right, this is where we're gonna pick up the coffee here. This is the warehouse for the coffee. Take a look at that. You can already see a lot of coffee in there. We're gonna back up. Mucho gusto, This is my coffee right here. Los dos son primera.
No, solo ese.
Solo ese es segunda.
Ese es imperfecto.
Imperfecto, ok, está bien. All right, we officially have the coffee. This is actually pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah, I can't wait to go fill up this cup because it's empty.
Yeah. So we have 41 pounds of really good coffee to roast here, and then we have around 200 pounds of segunda coffee, which is the lower quality. So we have some good experimenting to do here. But in California, it's all 100% good quality that went that way, that should arrive this month, and it left by container. So let's make our way out of here. I put the windows down, and then Elliot just gave him a mean mug. He's like, dude, what are you doing looking inside the truck here? All right. All right, cool. So mission number 2, what is mission number 2, Courtney?
To go eat.
We're about to go chow down in one of our favorite spots here, and if you guys like it a lot, we'll include the directions in the comment section there, so if you can check it out if you're ever traveling North Nicaragua here. Welcome to Matapalo. Now Matapalo, you never would guess that there's a restaurant here unless he got tipped off by a local. But take a look at this right here. So this is a Pan-American highway. This highway right here will lead you towards Honduras and eventually to the States. But right on the side of the highway, you have the restaurant right here to the right side. And this is Matapalo here. A beautiful, beautiful spot where you can buy some pastries and you can eat some foods. So we're about to go inside and enjoy ourselves a delicious lunch right now.
All right, so we're here. I got my favorite dish of all time. You know me. I have my beans and my eggs, and that's really all I need. And I got a little addition of avocado and some cuajada cheese. So come in and be prepared because I'm about to tear this dish up. Heaven. I can't wait to finish this plate of food.
So what I usually get here at Matapalo is I get a nice grilled chicken, some more homemade beans, and some crema, and some tortilla. So this combo here is super delicious. Plus this nice chile that they got here, this nice homemade chile. You add it to the chicken, it just gives it that extra level there. So I'm gonna show you something I normally do here that is quite delicious. I take the tortilla, I take the chicken and I shred it up. Then I add a nice dollop of fresh beans here, some cuajada. If you love cuajada, comment below. I know my Nicos watching, they know what I'm talking about. Then I take some homemade crema here and drizzle this taco right here in the top. And then take a look at that. Oh my God, here. Wrap it up. So delicious. A little Nica taco. I think the number one reason why we love this spot, it's because it feels like you're at home. Like your mom is cooking for you. And the food is just so fresh. The kitchen they cook on is still a wood stove. So you get those flavors into your ingredients. The ingredients are fresh. The people are so friendly and nice. They got hammocks everywhere where you can come relax. And the atmosphere is just incredible. And it's really peaceful. So it kind of feels like I'm at home. Would you agree or what?
Totally. Elliot's enjoying the chicken. We're enjoying our meal. I love being outdoors. You can't beat this.
Bye, dígale. Ah, le dio un beso, mire. Adiós, nos vemos. Mucho gusto, nos vemos, bye. So for the whole thing was 690 Cordobas. So that was 2 dishes, a juice, and we also bought like a big bag of pastries. So that was $18 for everything. So it's like really affordable. It comes out to about $4 to $6 per dish, depending on what you're buying. So super affordable. Comment below if you think you'll like this spot here. We'll put the directions in the comments there also too, so you can come check it out. Now, misión número 3, what is it?
Time to get those plants.
Time to go to the nursery. Let's go. So right now we're actually 21 kilometers to the border with Honduras. We're that far up north, and we're in a small town called Somoto. Now Somoto is known for a couple of things, but the biggest tourist attraction here is El Cañón de Somoto. It's a big canyon that has water running right through the middle where you can go explore. You pretty much hike into the canyon and then you float on the river. You get to go on rocks and jumps. Actually, Courtney jumped from there one time, remember?
Yeah, that was like back in 2010 maybe.
And she had a horrible experience. What happened to you when you jumped from
I mean,
there?
the whole experience was fun until I jumped, and then I sprained my tailbone.
Yeah, she climbed this rock, like the tallest point in the canyon, and she jumped and landed right in her tailbone and just cracked it. So the whole experience was beautiful up to that point. So if you are coming here, just be cautious. If you jump from really high spots, you might break your tailbone there like Courtney.
Yeah, don't jump like I did.
Yeah, but we're almost there. It's a nice day out here in Somoto, Nicaragua. We made it, guys. Vivero La Peña. Man, you're getting to see all the secret gems here in Nicaragua. All right, we finally made it. Time to pick some trees. You guys are gonna love this place. It's incredibly beautiful and so much to pick from. On the right side, you have the restaurant, and then on the left side here, this is where the nursery starts. No se acuerda de mí, yo le compré unas plantas.
Claro.
Sí, esta es mi esposa, Courtney. All right, so he has to go drop off his daughter right now, so he told us to look around while he comes back and and he helps us select the trees here.
Oh.
But take a look how beautiful it is here.
I love those flowers. Hi.
Check this out. Look at that. I just killed that mosquito. Look how much blood that mosquito has. OMG. If you're coming here to Nicaragua, just be aware, all of Central America, there's just tons of mosquito everywhere. So hopefully I don't get dengue, and then I become a dengue survivor like our friend Claudio. Now, it's important for us, while we're rebuilding the farm, that we also plant trees. I think one of the biggest missions here with the whole project up north is to bring it back to life, reforest the land. It's not only to sell coffee and plant coffee, that's a big portion of it, but most importantly, we want to work with the environment, but we want to buy stuff that complements coffee. For example, this is cacao. So this is a cacao plant here, and this goes well with coffee. You don't necessarily want to plant it too close to coffee because it will compete, but you can plant it along the borders, or you can do an acre of cacao and eventually you're able to make chocolate later on. But they have all kinds of different trees that you want to pick that work well with coffee. Some will fix the nitrogen, other will help against soil erosion, and some are just a good complement for shade. So that's what we're taking into consideration with all this.
Okay, so I just saw a plant that I just thought this morning didn't really exist over here, at least not to my knowledge. I've never seen one, and I'm gonna take you over to it now.
What plant is it?
It's an agave plant. At least I hope it's an. Oh, Elliot, come on.
Hurry up, mister.
We're waiting for you.
We ain't got all day. If you're not gonna work fast enough, we're gonna fire you, okay? Then put you to bed, son. Just kidding. Let's go, puppy. Come on. Here, hold my hand.
This is the plant. It's an agave plant.
Are you sure that's an agave plant?
I think it's an agave plant. We should ask him. Is that an agave plant?
That's not an agave plant.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Ask.
An agave plant is used to make tequila.
Yes, babe. When you cut it open, it has agave.
Yes, I don't think that has agave.
Yeah,
This is
all right, let's bet on it.
Okay, we're
Am I right or am I wrong?
I'll bet $10 right now that you're wrong.
Right?
I'll bet $10 that you're wrong on that.
Okay, okay.
You have to shake on it. Okay.
I could be uneducated about this.
No, don't go back now. You already lost $10. We'll find out. Pregunta. Esta planta de aquí que...
Sábila.
Ah, es sábila.
Sábila, sí.
No, no es lo mismo que agave.
No, no, no.
Ah, no es agave. Y aquí en Nicaragua hay plantas de agave.
Sí, sí, yo aquí ya tengo.
Oh, tiene.
Oh.
So, where's my $10?
Actually, I wanna rephrase what I meant to say.
No, you
Okay.
can't go back on that.
I meant to say aloe vera.
You did? Oh, wow.
I swear. He just showed me the agave plant. That wasn't what I was looking for. That is what I'm looking for. I just put the wrong name to the
Well,
plant.
too bad. You lost $10, so
Suck
it looks
it.
like lunch is on you.
No.
So I just picked out a bunch of trees. I'll say over like 80 trees right now. And we're gonna start loading. I picked out a bunch of good varieties. Cacao, mandarins, oranges, nancites, hardwood trees. The reason I plant hardwood trees is because they're great for the farm. You can use them for firewood, you can use them for building. They're low maintenance and they're beautiful for shade and protect against erosion. So I got over 40 different types of hardwood trees that we're going to be planting also on the farm. And this is all possible thanks to you guys, because you guys keep on liking the videos, buying coffee, and everything that we make goes back into this farm here. So as long as we keep on doing that, we will keep on going, trying to reforest this whole farm and build it out here in Nicaragua. So thank you and cheers. So Courtney, what do you think of our selection here?
I think I want more already. I'm told that once our cabin is built, so you keep him honest, that I'm gonna get more flowers and plants. So I can't wait to come back and get more.
Yeah, we'll come back for a second trip to keep on growing and planting more. But for today, this is enough. There's over 40 plants here that we're gonna be planting on the farm.
Fake agave, what is that?
Here, a losing agave plant here.
Hey, I meant to say aloe vera.